Hey, Alex here with Venturi Trading, and if you are looking for an awesome algorithmic trading strategy, then you should definitely check out the MACD bot that we have here. So this was taken actually out of the brain of one of our in-house traders named Achilles. He's a beast of a Greek trader, and we basically coded his strategy into this algorithm. And I'm going to walk you guys through an actual back test here on NinjaTrader 8, where we trade the MYM Micro Dow Futures. You could also trade it on the YM Mini Dow Futures. So I'm going to walk you guys through the settings, show you guys kind of what everything looks like, and you guys can see the results here in real time. Again, you also have a 7-day free trial where you can get this bot in. I show you how to get it loaded into your NinjaTrader 8. I walk you through everything step by step on how to back test it 3 different ways just to make sure you're as confident as possible. But with that, let me just shrink my face down. And as you'll see here on the right, keep in mind, I am on the Pacific time zone. So this is 8:30 a.m. Pacific. So if you want to make it for Eastern Standard Time or your local time, whatever that may be, whatever time zone you're trading it on your NinjaTrader, obviously adjust that. This is going to be on the micros. We have 2 kind of different entry pattern settings that we have that I run them with, the 3 light and the light to opposite. We have an EMA filter as well. It's using our custom MACD indicator that we've created specifically for this algorithm. We give you all those files and I show you exactly how to get everything set up. And in the videos, in the how-to videos, I show you how to do the back testing. I show you how to do the market replay just to make sure you're as confident as possible with this. And you can see down here, if you know anything about the Micro Dow, a 40 tick move isn't really all that much, or a $40 move, but we are looking for basically getting out at 1-to-1. We can also do a break-even functionality and a trail functionality as well. With this bot, with these settings, I find that just letting it run for its final TP has proven to be the best overall results versus just taking a little bit off and going to a break-even. Now, depending on how you want to trade in your style, I'll show you the 2 different results where I run it with the break-even and without the break-even. You can even leave runners as well. You can mess around with the setting sizes, with the position sizes as well, so completely up to you. But I will show you guys here. We are on the MYM and we are going to run it from January 1st, 2024 to March 13th, 2025. Okay, so when I hit run here, it'll recalculate everything for us and you will see the results here in real time. Now, just like any algorithmic trading bot, we're looking for a bot that has a consistent edge over a longer period of time. So there are going to be drawdowns. There are going to be times where the bot's not good. As you can see here, we had a pretty strong pullback from 8,000 in profit down to almost 1,500 in profit on the dot. And then obviously it goes for a run to close out the end of the year. A little pullback during, not a surprise, holiday season's usually not as consistent with price action. And then once we got to the new year, we started to see the consistency come back again. So it's been doing quite well so far in 2025. We also saw that sort of hot start here in the beginning of 2024. Let's go over here to our summary so we can see that a little bit more clearly here. I'll move this over here. So yeah, $33,000 profit for 14 and a half months, 7,000 total drawdown. Now, of course, if you don't like that total max drawdown, you can go ahead and adjust your different sizings, right? You can make your position size smaller or bigger. Right now, we're risking about $300 total per trade. So could you chop that down to 100, 200, 150? Sure, absolutely. If you want, you could just trade a single mini YM Dow future and make your size obviously a good chunk less. So overall, I run this strategy on about 4 of my funded accounts just to keep my trading algorithm diversity. And it's been quite solid so far for 2025. I think for 2 of them, I have payouts coming because I was a little bit more aggressive on the size with those. Again, in these how-to videos, when you actually download or sign up for the bot, I show you guys everything that you need to know, not only how to get it downloaded, but how to do our 3 variations of back testing just to make sure you have the absolute most confidence. But as you can see, pretty solid. We have a decent amount of trades. Now keep in mind 3 position entry. It's going to divide that by 3, obviously. Pretty strong win rate. And yeah, I mean, you can see here's the results. Good, decent profit factor. It looks like the shorts were a little bit more viable than the longs during that period. And you can backtest a bunch of different things. Like if we go back over here to the analysis, we can go look at it. Hey, maybe we only want to run it on certain days of the week, right? So that's going to give you all those pretty clear results. Looks like Tuesday is absolutely the day for it. So you can decide to do that if you'd like. Um, we can go over here to max drawdown. We could see, okay, yeah, hey, that aligns with our big drawdown period. This aligns with the holiday season. And then we come back and bounce right back on up. The other thing you can do is like, hey, let's see what happens if I put the break even on, right? That'll probably adjust some of the profits that we had. Okay, so pretty similar, nothing too crazy, but obviously a big pullback from here down. So what is that? Almost another, call it 7,000. And we kind of get it back up to start the new year. But overall, MACD bot is a solid bot. What I also like about it is because I also trade the Orb 15 bot, which typically sees more of the action in the morning session. This trade's kind of like the second part to the end part of the day. Again, as you can see here, I'm on Pacific time zone. So for me, it's 8:30 a.m. Pacific to 12 noon, which is more or less 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can mess around with those things. You can customize things that you like. But overall, the bot's been a quite solid bot. And what I also like about these bots is that you can tweak some of these settings. Like even if I went to a really low EMA, you'll see that the results probably won't be as good. But again, like generally speaking, the strategy and criteria for entry align well. If you know anything about the MACD, it's sort of a change in momentum. So that's what we're really looking for, is not some type of direct reversal, but either a continuation of a trend or a change in momentum to the upside or downside, and that's what we're using to get in. So NinjaTrader 8 is what I like to trade for futures. We do also have this available for MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. In one of these next videos here on this WAP page, you'll see me go through the backtest with MetaTrader 5. But all in all, MACD bot is a solid bot. Achilles as a trader is a great trader. If you're looking to improve your algorithmic trading and just get a little bit more of a diversification with your algorithms, definitely check out the MACD bot. You have a 7-day free trial. We also provide the 10x guarantee. So if you don't make at least 10x your subscription cost profits in the course of 30 days, we'll give you a whole month completely free, whether it's with this bot or any of our other bots. So definitely check out the MACD bot. The thing is a beast. If you have any questions, message us here on WAP. You can message us on Discord, social media, or through our website. More than happy to help. And yeah, with that being said, grab these bots, get them trading, start passing auditions, start getting funding, get funded payouts. Let's rinse these prop firms, and I'll see you on the charts.